In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Zoho Desk. Whether you're managing customer support tickets or analyzing performance data, reports are a vital tool for gaining insights and making informed decisions. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Zoho Desk or just need a refresher, you'll find this guide easy to follow and quite comprehensive. Let's get started by navigating to the Analytics section within Zoho Desk. You can find this by looking at the menu on the left side of your screen. Once you're in the Analytics section, you'll notice several options at your disposal. For our purposes today, select Reports from the available options. This section is your go-to place for all reporting needs within Zoho Desk, providing you with a wealth of information at your fingertips. Now that you're in the Reports section, you might see existing reports if you've created any before. However, what we want to do next is to create a new report from scratch. For this, you have a couple of options. You can either click on the Add Report button directly or look for a little plus icon on your screen, commonly placed for adding new items. Clicking on that plus icon will also give you the option to Add Report. Both methods will get you to the same destination, so choose whichever suits you best. Once you've clicked to add a new report, you'll be prompted to enter specifics about the report you want to create. At this point, it's essential to have your goal in mind. Are you looking to track ticket resolution times, analyze customer satisfaction scores, or delve into something entirely different? Knowing what you want will guide you in configuring the report's parameters to align with your objectives. After deciding on the focus of your report, you'll need to select the data columns or metrics you wish to include. Zoho Desk allows for a wide range of data fields, so you can build a report that truly aligns with your needs. Don't worry if this feels a bit overwhelming. It's perfectly fine to start with basic fields and expand as you get more comfortable with the tool. Once you've configured the fields, preview the report to ensure it displays the information correctly. Adjust the settings as needed, perhaps tweaking the data filters or layout until you're satisfied with the output. By following these steps, you'll have a custom report that provides the insights you need to drive better decision-making within your organization. Take your time to explore Zoho Desk's capabilities further, as there are plenty of options to enhance your reports. Trust me, mastering these skills will prove invaluable in optimizing your workflow and improving your team's efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your report creation.